Yo my people, it's your boy Max and I'm back with another video. Guys, today we're reviewing the Bottega Veneta Orbits, I believe they're called. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. I know I'm not consistent, but the more likes, the more support makes me more consistent. So yeah, I'm gonna get into it, man. And if you guys got any recommendations, anything I should buy that you want me to review, leave a comment below. And let me know if you generally buy these shoes, man. So let's go, let's get into this. So these are the trainers, you know, they're actually quite cool. Very shiny, actually. When I'm walking, a lot of people look at them, look at my feet. And especially when it's a sunny day, you know, people are they're gonna be staring, they'll be eyeing. But yeah, man, I like all the details. The details are nice. You know, you've got like the different creativity going on. So it makes people like, it's like, it's a shoe where you're looking at everything. Like there's a lot going on, I'll be so honest. It's like, it looks like there's some spider nets at the front, you know. Then you've got the curved bit here, like you've got the green, the detailing is amazing. And then you do also have the Bottega sign. I don't know if you can really see that, but you got the Bottega sign right there, Bottega Veneta. And here's the bottom. I wore them a bit, so guys, excuse me, I had to just try them out. But these are how the bottom looks. Very grippy. So yeah, when I'm walking, sometimes I trip on things because it really does grip. But the back as well, the details on the back. One of my favorite standouts of this trainers is the fact that, you know, I know a lot of shoes don't really have this, but the sole goes all the way back up to here. And that's very unique. You know, a lot of shoes, the sole stops here, but with this one, it goes all the way up to the back. So that's pretty cool. So on the tongue, you got the logo as well, or you got the Veneta, Bottega Veneta sign there. Excuse half the my laces. So yeah, inside you've also got the, well, I've wore it so it's gone, but usually it says, you know, Bottega Veneta as well. But generally they're a comfortable pair of shoes. I'm not gonna lie, they are really comfortable. They kind of remind me like something like the Asics, however you guys pronounce it, wherever you're watching from. But they kind of, you know, remind me of the Asics. They're like a kind of like a sporty shoe, like, you know, built for comfort. But to be honest though, they're not as comfortable as I thought they would be, but they are comfortable, but not as comfortable as I thought or as I expected it to be. So yeah, but they are generally, you know, a pair of shoes that you can, you know, walk around in. I don't know if you can see the details as well on the green. It's like some sort of like leather, like, you know, with a bit of dots on it. So it's very detailed, and like in the nets, you can see there's like materials in there. It's pretty cool. But yeah, these are the shoes, guys, man. As I was saying, they remind me like of a pair of like classy like Asics, or like, you know, classy New Balance or something like that. Like they've got the same kind of shape, the same kind of style in a different way. It's got its own different like flow to it, you know. So yeah, it's really good though. I'm gonna show you what I'd wear with the trainers, so like what outfits I put together. They're kind of simple to style. I think you can wear them with anything. You can wear them with jeans, joggers, shorts. You can wear them with anything. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I would wear these with. And the reason why I chose green was because it's a standout color. You know, I didn't want to get black or, you know, a color that's dark. But yeah, I wanted to stand out just so I can wear. I'm trying to get into my bright bag. I'm trying to get into the bright clothes. So yeah, I'm just trying to really, you know, dress a bit different. So yeah, I bought green instead. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you a few outfits now, and let me know what you think. Yeah guys, these are the Bottega Veneta Orbits. So I gave you a quick rundown of them. I showed you what might look good with them. This is my recent cop. I thought I'd show you guys, just make a quick video. I've been lacking on the channel, so I thought why not. But yeah, so I thought I'd make a quick video about the shoes. Anything you want me to buy and review, leave a comment below. But it's been your boy Max. Leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. We're out.